Struggling to dominate your niche online? Tired of wasting time chasing trends while everyone else seems to pull ahead? What if I told you there's a proven 7 phase system that can help you claim your niche, build authority, and automate your income, even if you're a complete beginner? Stick around. I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Here's my quick take. Niche Marketing Empire is not just another course, it's a step by step blueprint to build a profitable niche business. After 6 years in affiliate marketing, I can confidently say this system is one of the fastest ways to go from zero to authority in your market. So, what exactly is Niche Marketing Empire? It's a 74-page AI powered guide created by Alessandro Zamboni and Martin Hauser that walks you through 7 powerful phases to dominate any niche. It's perfect for beginners who feel lost in online marketing, intermediate marketers stuck with zero traction, experienced entrepreneurs wanting a repeatable system. It solves the biggest problem most marketers face, not knowing which niche to focus on or how to turn it into real profit. Here's how it works. Phase 1, the Magpie Claim. Pick the perfect niche using the Royal Filter Test. Phase 2, the Spyglass Sweep. Research competitors, uncover hidden submarkets, and find high demand opportunities. Phase 3, the Authority Forge. Launch your brand and become the go to expert in just 72 hours. Phase 4, the Content Siege. A 30-day content calendar floods your niche with targeted posts. Phase 5, the Treasure Tower. Design a full value ladder with entry, core, premium, and recurring offers. Phase 6, the Automation Arsenal. Automate sales, emails, and content so your business grows while you sleep. Phase 7, the Moat and Throne. Protect your empire, keep competitors out, and scale to related niches. Everything is explained step by step with actionable prompts so you don't waste time guessing. And yes, there are optional upgrades if you want to take things further. Niche Marketing Empire GPT, $27. AI tools for content and research automation. High value prompt pack. Extra prompts to create irresistible content. Private label rights, $67. Get full rights to resell the system. These are optional, but can supercharge your results if you want a complete plug and play setup. When you grab Niche Marketing Empire through my link, you also get these exclusive bonuses from tested apps. WP Slideshow Master, build eye-catching slideshows fast. WP Swift Page Plugin, speed up your site and reduce bounce. Lead Book Generator, auto-add Facebook leads to your email list. WP Email Timer Plus, countdown timers to increase clicks. Conversion Equalizer, boost AdWords conversions automatically. Sales Page Recycler, reuse pages across funnels effortlessly. Action Poll, segment your email list for higher conversions. Article Analyzer, rank content faster and smarter. Website Pouch Pro, hide or show content with one click. 100 ready-made niche blogs, pre-built traffic-generating blogs. These bonuses alone are worth hundreds of dollars, and they complement the course perfectly. Here's the deal. Niche Marketing Empire is designed to get results fast, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned marketer. But the bonuses are limited. They expire in 48 hours, or only 25 buyers get them. So don't wait. Click the link below, grab the course, and claim your exclusive bonuses today. Build your niche, automate your business, and finally start seeing real results. If you found this review helpful, hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more actionable affiliate marketing insights. All the course details and bonus links are in the description. Grab them before they're gone.